Yeah, it's all alright. I guess it's all alright. I got nothing left inside of my chest, but it's all alright. Yeah, it's all alright. I guess it's all alright. I got nothing left inside of my chest, but it's all alright.
Well, hell yeah, we just stop and go. When everybody tell me that the world has for show, they drop and roll, they tell me it's impossible. And the mission is looking so impossible. I mean, we never stop it. Hell yeah, they want it. Hell yeah, they tripping. I tell them we never drop, but I know what I gotta do. Shot so right, every day deep down, spinning around so tight. I mean, the free is all top, the top is all free. You know I keep it coming when I'm rocking on a beat. I'm confident, you see, I'm cocky in the street, and I ain't gonna stop till I'm rocky in the streets. I mean, everything in my glass is now full, glass is now cool. Ask me how to, I tell them you gotta do it like you never did, and do it better than anybody has ever did. Go!
Yeah, it's all alright. I guess it's all alright. I got nothing left inside of my chest, but it's all alright. Yeah, it's all alright. I guess it's all alright. I got nothing left inside of my chest, but it's all alright.
Man, I don't care for tomorrow, tryna live for the day. How many bad girls tryna be Mrs. McCray? So come and kick it with a player from the west side, and we can burn the crib down like Left Eye. Got me testing the waters just to see where it's at. OCD till I die, we can leave it at that. Tell your man it's a rap, cause I know it's a fact. Yeah, I run with my dogs, but I'm leading a pack. We got some girls coming over, yeah, later we got some girls coming over. And I don't know what your plans are right now, but ain't nobody leaving until it's over. I was super good once upon a time, but I'm grown now, and it's time to grind. It's hard to be polite, got a part of me tonight. You ain't even gotta worry, we gon' always be alright.